Hello everyone, welcome to Caroline's Craftery. Today we are going to be working on the big book. This is my sister's journal. Not sure how many videos it's going to be in, not sure what order I'm going to put the videos in when I do start to post, so I don't know if this is going to be episode 2 or episode 10 or whatever, but so far what I've done is I've got 3 signatures together. And I've got all the pages cut to size and relatively in the order that I want the pages. I might change them around a little bit, but this will be the first page that you see when you open up the journal. So, like I say, I've got the 3 signatures. I got about 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So about 17 pages per signature. Now, let's find one that's contrasting a little bit. I'll show you what I did. This one right here will work. Oops. Now this is what I did, because these were 8.5 by 11 inch papers. I did have to cut them down just a little tiny bit, but I just put a strip down there which I glued. Now this is it's a paper, but it's almost like a clothy paper. I think it will be very durable. So that's kind of made the page. And you're going to be able to see that, but I don't think it's going to be standing out too much. And I might decorate some of them. We'll see how it goes as I'm making the journal itself. As I said in the first video, I do plan on videoing pretty much the whole thing. Okay, let's just get that back together so it's together. So let's set those aside. Now, the cover, I've been trying to think of what I want to do for the cover, and I have a bit of an idea. I had this board because she's a Monopoly nut, and these were the 2 properties she always wanted to get when we played the game. So I've cut that out, and I'm going to put that kind of like this. I've got this coppery type bracelet, and then I got some of these wooden stars. Now this is just a really rough idea of what I'm going to do with this. Now what I want to do is I'm going to paint it with gesso to start with. That's what we're going to do today, but just talking about the layout of the cover and kind of what I have in my mind, and it's kind of hard to visual that with just this. But what I want to do is I'm going to gesso it, and then I'm going to start gluing down some tissues from sewing patterns. Kind of like how I did the dragon journal, but just the background, no eye or anything. Because I want it to kind of be rough, and I want to be able to paint it probably black or dark blue, and then highlight it with either silver, gold, or bronze, not quite sure what. But what I want to do is I want to glue this down, and then I'm going to make it kind of bubbled on there, and that's going to be my moon. So I'll probably do that with like some kind of silver or white over top of the black. These will get put on top of the crumpled the sewing pattern tissues, because I'll crumple it up so it'll be really rough. So my idea is you've got your city, so to speak, then you've got your stars and your moon in the sky. So that's kind of my thinking behind this. The stars will all be painted, and then I'll probably highlight those with like a silver, gold, bronze, something to make them stand out. This will be bright like this here. I might put like one thin layer of just a clear tissue just to tone it down a little bit. Haven't quite decided on that. But then it's going to come off of here, and then this will be built up a little bit. And I'm hoping it will be good. We'll see. I'll make it work somehow. And for the edge, I'll probably, I was going to use Monopoly money folded, but once it's painted all black or whatever, I'm not going to see it anyways. So I might just do it just in the tissue paper, and then it'll get painted. So what I'm going to do today is I want to paint this, or I should say gesso it. That's going to be kind of today's project. So I'm just going to take a wet wipe, and I'm just going to wipe it off. It's not, doesn't seem to be dirty. I guess it's a little bit, taking a little bit of the red off, which is okay. But I do want to show kind of step by step. So some of these videos might be a little long, maybe a little boring. I don't know, but you're going to get the whole kit and caboodle of this journal for the most part. The inside, still not 100% sure what I'm going to do with that, but I've got this big bottle of just a white gesso. Going to shake it up a little bit. Oh, just hold on a minute. Okay, so I'm back. I just got this tray to put the gesso on. So really all that I'm going to do is I'm just going to paint this on. The gesso's going to allow everything to kind of stick to this a bit better. Because it kind of makes that, I want to say kind of gritty feel, but I'm not sure if that's the right choice of words, but it does coat the surface and just allows the glue or anything else to stick a little bit better to it. So this video, you know, basically I'm going to be just painting it everywhere. And then I'm going to have to wait till it dries before I can do the next step or start the next steps. Usually with a journal, I do kind of like to do the cover first, because then if I messed up or it doesn't turn out the way I want it, then I might have to use a different cover, and then I would have to like resize the pages maybe or something like that. So typically, I do like to do the cover first, if and when I can. And as I'm making this, I am doing the cover first, but I don't know what order I'll post the videos in when I'm actually start to post them. I will not be posting any of this journal videos until after my sister receives it, because I don't want her to see what's going on with it. Probably should have put down a big piece of paper other than my mat, because now I'm going to have to try and clean my mat off. Oh well. It's for my craft table, so even if it has paint on it, it will be okay. So now I do want to paint the edges of this, and like the edge, like, you know, round, and I want to paint the first little bit of the inside. But I gotta let this dry a little bit before I can flip it over. So I'll be back in a second.